Hi, I'm Stencyl Savari. Today talking another Stencyl tutorial about how to change levels. Okay, so you've made your main scene, your first scene, and it looks looking amazing, but you just don't want it to go on forever. You want to be able to change up how it's looking, so you want to go to another level. I'll show you a really, I'll make it really obvious, but you can sort of put a door there or something so that you sort of go through a door and it changes, but that's cool. I'm just going to put a block. So what we're creating is a region. So on the left here, add region. And I'll just put it on top of that box. It's called region 0. And that's fine. Cool. The next thing we want to do is on the scene, you're going to have options at the top here. So events. So add event, actors, and then the bottom one enters or leaves a region. Actor of type. So we'll go choose actor nonny. Should only be one nonny on the scene at a time, so that should be fine. Choose region, and then we just go to where we put our region, so that's fine. And then, so this is when this happens, we're going to put some code in here to say what's going to happen. I can't remember exactly what it was, so I'm just going to double check. Switch to scene 2. Okay, so let's type it in here. Switch. I'll hit enter 2. That one. Switch to choose scene. My forest level that is blank. We'll fade out for 0.2 secs using black and fade in for 0.2 secs using black. And that's it. Cool. We'll save it. Quick test to make sure it works. Okay, here we go. Running along, there's the red box, jump on top, and loads next level. Mine's blank, but put nonny in it, put some grass or something in it. It's forest level, it's probably some trees too. But there we go, changing levels. Thanks for watching.